Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Dreamer Designs unboxing. Just one. Excuse me. I got a coupon, so I purchased one that was in my wish list. Comes, if you haven't seen a Dreamer Designs yet, it comes in this fabric dust bag. And this one's actually wrapped in plastic. I don't remember my other ones being wrapped in plastic. And well, since we only have one canvas, let's go through the toolkit in case you haven't seen any toolkits from them. So we have a multi-placer, 3-placer, and a straightener. 2 containers of purple wax. A brush to brush the diamonds in the tray. We have a AB pen and a regular pen. Here's another multi-placer. 2 purple squishies. A pair of nice tweezers. These are really good. And, well, they gave me 2. These go in the tray if you want to use multiple colors. So that is that. Oh, and a purple glitter tray. Sorry. Let me leave one of these out. I actually want to try this wax with the canvas I'm working on. And this kit comes in a really nice velvety soft Dreamer Designs tie bag. See? This is really nice. This is definitely reusable. Hi. Oh, my little girl's looking at me like, why didn't you give me my bacon treat this morning? You want your bacon treat? Right there. It's right in front of you. Sorry guys. I left to go to work early. And I didn't give them their bacon treats when they woke up. This canvas is soft. Does need a little bit of time under the mattress. So this is a 40 by 60. Meet Me at the Diner by Reagan Kubek. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Sorry. I thought she was really cute. So from top to bottom, look at her outfit with the skulls on the skirt. Just a little tattoo. Things getting in the way. So 51 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe we have 5 ABs in here. That's a lot. That's really exciting. Ooh. And here's their pamphlet, which I believe comes with a discount code and stuff in it. And here are the labels, the sticker labels. Here's a picture, our sticker. Oh, this is odd. I guess the edge broke. Ooh, I don't even know if I want to pull these out, you guys. Is this the ABs? I'm not getting them back in. So white ABs, red ABs. I'm trying to see if there's or other colors, but this is a broken pack, so I really don't want to 310, a bunch of 310. That's a 310. Yeah, we're gonna just, now I probably can't be able to get it back in. That's great. Okay, because it has the label on it, and I don't want to lose this. These are round drills though. A lot of browns, blacks. We'll find out with the ABs when I do it. There's some blues, some reds, some oranges, lots of black and gray. So, really excited, you guys. This is really cute. This is my 4th Dreamer design canvas that I bought. I believe it's 4. Yeah, because the first was, I bought 3. So this is the 4th one. So, looks like there might be some green ABs, which are going to go in her eyes. Some in the leaves up here. Red ABs. Well, I mean, the only place I can think of that's red, I mean, she's got red in the skirt and red in her hair, so maybe somewhere around there, her lips. And then one looks like it's going to be purple. Could go up here or here. She's pretty. I think she's cute. And why are you in my bag? Hi. Want to say hi? I gotta watch her. She likes to steal my bags of drills, you guys. And she'll claw at them and bite them until all the drills burst out of the bag. Yeah, she's a thief. She's notorious for stealing my drills. But she just woke up from her nap. I guess she heard me come in. But yeah, see, here we go with the drills. She's too much. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Dreamer Designs canvas. It's not much to say. It's just one canvas. So there's codes and socials and stuff like that. See? Stealing my drills. And you're going to bite them and you're going to ruin it. Yeah, it was just one painting. So sorry, this was a really short video. I just had ordered one and I've been waiting for this one to come in. It was supposed to be in last week. But then the weekend came and that was it. So they waited till Monday. Hi, honey. What are you doing? So if you are enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. She's tickling my ear. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued support. I believe I hit or just made it just about over 600 subscribers. So I'm finally at the 600 mark, unless I lost a couple, because that's what happened the last time. I hit my 500, and then the moment I put up a post saying I hit 500, I lost one. So I think I'm at 601. Oh, trying to steal the drills. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed. If you are new, thank you so much. I'm trying to get to my 1,000. So yeah, don't forget to hit your notification bell. Let you know whenever I post about hauls or any Dreamer Designs, Diamond Art Club, budget friendly, anything. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And me and Willow will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.